What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to unbox Survival Kit Parachute Pack SRU-16/P. Date of March 2018. Not sure the date it was made in or the expiration date. Let's open it up and see what it's all about. It says open here. All it is just sewed in. So you kind of just rip off all the strings right there. There you go. Okay, let's open this up. I actually have no idea what it is. I bought it on eBay and I didn't look it up what it's going to be all about. All I knew it was a survival kit parachute pack. So I will be pretty excited to open it and find out. Easy to open right here. Okay, there's some kind of paper box. And it says survival kit. Again, the same thing. There's a little Hershey's. Let me zoom in a bit so that way we can see what's happening. Is it Hershey's? I think so. This is actually a condom. Did not expect to see that. It's okay, there's a lot of survival stuff you can do. You can start the fire with it too. There's a little knife. The rain is starting. There's a couple needles right here. Okay, the knife is really nice. There's 3 little knives actually, different sizes. You know what, in survival station and mine too, there's a little wire, a compass with more wire, and what are these? Let's open them up and see what it's all about. Oh, those are matches. Nice, 3 matches, 4 matches with aluminum foil. What are all this? This little fire strikers. You know what, you might need to survive in the rain, so this is what it's going to look like when you're unboxing. This is a little fire starting matches right here. Also, is this matches as well? Yep, also matches. Okay, first of all, let's see if match is going to work after it's getting wet. There you go, they work. Very nice. One got wasted, but that's okay. So we have matches. The compass right here can go over your neck. That's kind of cool. And it looks like it's a nice compass. Always points the same direction. There's a lot of compasses that when you spin them, they don't point the same direction. So you see, you spin it, stop it. Obviously you lay it on a flat surface and it looks like it works really nice. Okay, let's open another one. Make sure you dry out this little striker and just go like this. It got wet, but no big deal. It laid up anyways. Not waterproof, but moist proof, I guess. Definitely a little bit water resistant, but that's it. If it gets too wet, it will be useless. But look how long it's going to burn. With that little thing, you definitely can start a fire. And one more thing you got here is a fishing hook with the line. So you have 3 little hooks on a line. You don't have much line at all, but you can always tie it up to a shoelaces or something like that and still catch fish. So you have 3 little hooks on top of it. Very interesting survival kit. Definitely a pretty unique survival kit. Never seen anything like that. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.